Hey, welcome back, and today I will be doing this Zgallerie dupe using all Dollar Tree items. I've been looking for these silver bowls everywhere, but I could never find them, but they do sell them online. So if you want to see how I recreated this using all Dollar Tree items, please stay tuned. First, I started with the Dollar Tree poster boards, some glue sticks, glue gun, and a strong adhesive. I used tape to tape 2 poster boards together. Now you can use more than 2, but for this project I'm using 2. You can also use tape to put around the edges just in case you want to cover that up so no one can see the sides. Using gloves to keep the smudges off the bowls, I laid out my bowls to see how many I wanted on the poster board and how I wanted to lay out. In total for 2 poster boards, it's about 48 bowls. Next, I used a strong adhesive such as liquid nails that you can purchase at Walmart for a few dollars or Home Depot. But you also can use the adhesive that they sell at the Dollar Tree. Either one works. I just wanted a strong permanent bond. After applying the strong adhesive, I used a glue gun to give it a quick bond into the permanent bond bonded overnight. Next, I used the smaller bowls to give it a 3D effect. Now this is totally optional. Just the regular bowls alone is pretty, but I wanted to give it a little dimension and added the bowls. So in total for the 2 poster boards, it's about 35 4-count bowls. You can also purchase them online. And here I just laid them out to see how I wanted them to look. How would it look? How will I add it without it looking too cluttered? And here you can see I'm just trying to eyeball how I want it to look. After I figured it out, I just went in here and hot glued the bowls to the top. Now this is very difficult because you have to be very careful of how much glue you put, because this is not going to be directly on a flat surface. It's going to be in between the bowls, so you want to be very careful. And this is the outcome. Afterwards, I let my project dry overnight, and I used 2 adhesive strips that you can purchase from Walmart, and sometimes Dollar Tree do sell them, and I hung it up on my wall. No holes, no damage. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and it cost me under 50 bucks. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.